Singh means lion in several South Asian and Southeast Asian contexts, and it is used as a title, middle name, and surname. Though it originated among the Hindu Kshatriya caste, the Rajputs and the Sikhs also started to use it as a surname. After rejecting caste-based discrimination, Guru Gobind Singh, born Gobind Rai, made it mandatory for all male Sikhs in the late 17th century. Several ethnic groups and religious sects have also embraced it. It has become more of a title than a surname, since it is now used as either a last or middle name by people of many backgrounds and faiths all over the globe. The Kshatriya warriors of ancient northern India took their names from the Sanskrit word for lion, which has been variably transliterated as Simha or Singh. Surnames ending in as Simha first appeared in written history with the naming of the two sons of the Saka monarch Rudraraman in the 2nd century CE. Around 500 CE, Jaisimha, the first king of the Chalukya dynasty, assumed the name Simha. Until the 11th century, the Vengi branch of the Chalukyas used Simha as a surname. The traditional Rajput surname of a Varman has been replaced with a Singh. Among the Rajputs, the Paramaras of Malva adopted the term Simha in the 10th century CE, the Gujalats and the Kachwahas of Narvar did it in the 12th century CE, and the Rathors of Marwar used it sometime after the 17th century. Rajputs adopted the surname Singh in large numbers in the 16th century. In 1699, at Guru Gobind Singh's behest, the Sikhs adopted it to establish a rival system of aristocratic titles to that used by the nearby Rajput Hill, Lords of Anandpur Sahib. All male Sikhs, regardless of where they live or their cultural background, use the surname Singh, whereas female Sikhs use Kaur. Several different communities began using the surname Singh in the 18th century. The Brahmins, Kayasthas, and Baniyas of present-day Uttar Pradesh and Bihar were among those who belonged to these castes. Even lower caste court peons in 19th century Bengal used the surname Singh. People of the Bhumihar caste who had previously used Brahmin surnames began adding Singh to their names as well. People of all castes, including Brahmin zamindars, acquired the surname in Bihar and Jharkhand because of its association with power and authority. Ahirs as Yadavs, Kushwaha, Kaweri, and Kurmis all added Singh to their names to emphasize their Kshatriya heritage. The surname Singh was often used by Shin Muslims. The name Singh was taken on by several Jain families in addition to the many Hindu castes. Non-Sikh Punjabis, Gujars, E.G., Nirbhai Singh Gujar, Brahmins, E.G., Lakshameshwar Singh, Marathas, E.G., Pratap Singh Rao Gekwad, and Hindu Jats, E.G., Bhim Singh Rana, Sikh Jats, E.G., Maharaja Ranjit Singh, Kushwaha, Maurya, E.G., Babu Singh, and Adivasi ethnic group. All sorts of Bihari castes utilize the last name Singh. The name is common among the global Indian community as well. Some of the low-caste Indian indentured laborers sent to British Guiana took advantage of the fact that there was no reliable means to identify a person's caste by adopting the surname Singh, therefore falsely claiming to be Kshatriyas.